Ooh, let's do 3 shoulder shrugs and deep breaths. Breathing in, lifting the shoulders, breathe in a little bit more, clench up the fingers and the toes, hold it, and then make some noise. One more, breathing in, a little bit more, hold it, and then and one more, ready? Like you mean it. Breathing in, lifting the shoulders, lifting the pelvic floor, clenching the fingers and the toes, breathing in a little bit more. And just letting it go, letting it flow like water off a duck's back. You can just set it down, or you can let it blow in the wind. There's more stress on the way. You don't have to keep all that. Stay free.